Oh my god, this thing does not even hold. Oh my god, it's so sticky. Yuck. My bike's condition is so bad, I don't even have to unlock the seat. Phew, I thought this was AGV. People are going to be laughing at me for wearing a helmet like this with a GoPro on, especially while riding a bike like this, an EX5. Bruh, fucking ridiculous. Dude, be careful, man. Stop using your phone. FYI, my bike is not Yamaha at all. From the outside, it looks like it's a Yamaha LC135, but the engine is not. The engine is actually from Lexer, LEXUR. It's if I'm not mistaken, it's a Taiwanese-made brand, and it's no longer in production in Malaysia, based on my research lah. So there is no way for me to get any kind of spare parts anymore for this bike. I've tried searching online and things like that, no luck at all. So if things really goes bad for this bike, I really do not know what to do with it other than scraping this bike off, which I think is not really worth it at all, but better than nothing lah, right? Confirm ah? What?
There. One is for the air to enter, one is for the petrol to enter.
What a chilly night. The rain has just stopped like half an hour ago, so it's pretty chill, pretty cold. It's like what, 10 PM now, I think. I'm starting to get cold actually, but it's nice lah, because the whole entire day today was pretty hot. Like the sun was ridiculous today. Hey, why are you always on your phone? Insta story is very important. Yeah, it's fucking small and fucking light lah.
Fucking small like skeleton lah.
It kind of feels like I'm riding a bicycle. Like I'm so not used to it anymore. He was asking me whether it feels like I'm riding a skeleton or not, since I'm like too used to riding my street triple. So suddenly riding a bike like this feels really weird in a way. But it's nice lah. It's really nice to come back to riding a bike like this. For some reason, it's more fun than my street triple. Maybe because it's been many years since I rode a bike like this, so it feels really different. Like it's a whole new experience. Although I've already experienced this before. Oh no, we are in Dataran Merdeka, where there's a lot of people and people are going to start staring at me. Yeah. Oh my god, I'm feeling so anxious. Like, what is this place? Dave, can we get out of here? It's fucking embarrassing there. Can we get out of here? It's damn embarrassing.
Yeah.
We go to the other side lah, where there's less people, because here stopping here makes me feel very anxious lah. Like damn cacat weh. Fucking budak ini guna full face, ada GoPro semua, guna motor EX5. I mean, I don't mean to discriminate bikes like this lah. I mean, I own one. I used to ride a bike like this. But it's just weird, you know, to wear a helmet like that and ride a bike like this. It's just I don't know, it's just weird lah, because no one does this. I find it a bit weird to see KL being this empty. Like, I know it's because of CMCO or whatever, but I'm so not used to seeing KL like this. It's a Saturday night, by the way. I mean, I guess it's kind of normal for KL to be this empty on the weekdays, but I don't think you'll ever see KL being this empty on a Saturday night. In a way, it's nice because it's something really different. Like, there's no traffic or whatsoever. We can actually ride around the city so freely. It's like we own the city, bro. Oh my god, my bike is so annoying. As you can already tell, my engine is not running smoothly at all. It's consistently losing power. Look at that. I'm not even letting my throttle off at all. But I guess on the bright side, my whole entire body is getting a massage because of the strong ass vibration. Jeez. Holy shit, it's so dark. There are street lights or street lamps, but they are not switched on for some reason. Ew. Oh fuck, what happened to my light? Oh crap, there's a cop. Oh no. Serious ah?
Yeah. Okay lah, if not there will be a lot of cars stopping you.
Can I make it? Holy shit, I can! Woo! I think it's crazy how we are actually on our way to Batu Caves right now at this hour. I mean, it's kind of normal for bikers to travel, to ride at this hour lah, but it's crazy in the sense that I'm actually using this motorcycle that is in very, very, very bad condition. Like, the vibration is literally killing my feet right now. Like, my feet is already numb, and also the jerkiness of the bike is fucking stupid. Like, I'm losing power all the time, and like, to travel smoothly or to ride smoothly, I can only throttle like 10%, and that will only bring me up to like, what, 60 kilometers per hour. But in reality, it's way slower than that lah. I think GPS speed is like 45, 50-ish. So we are traveling at like an average of 50 kilometers per hour all the way to Batu Caves. It's gonna take the whole bloody night, man. But it's nice lah. It's very chilling and stuff. There's no traffic and the weather is pretty chill. It's still enjoyable despite my bike's bad condition. Oh fuck! Jeez, oh my god, my slipper fell off. That's why you shouldn't wear a slipper when you're riding, boys. Crap, did that guy get it for me? Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah.
Okay.
Jeez.
Hey,
Huh?
your slipper, right?
Yeah, my slipper. Wow, you thought it was my phone?
No, I know your slipper, right?
Yeah, my slipper fell off.
So kind of him to hold it again.
I know, right? So nice of him.
Come on.
Hey, come we race.
Race lah.
Ah, obviously you'll win lah. I'll have a head start. Give me the head start. Oh my god. No chance lah, way. Holy shit, roadkill, that's a kitten. My hands are numb as fuck. His bike is so much faster than mine, and his bike is only like 100cc if I'm not wrong, and I think mine is 125cc, 25cc higher than his, and I can't even beat him at all. That's how bad this bike is. The condition is I don't even know what to say about it. It's just so bad. Look, what the fuck? I think even Apex motorcycle, those 75cc motorcycles can easily top out this bike. Home already, so yeah, I don't think there's gonna be anything else interesting. Jeebais, yeah. Not like this video is interesting anyway. I don't know, I don't think this video will be very interesting, but nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are still watching, I really thank you. And yeah, please do give me a like and subscribe. That will really make my day. Shiba, that fella fly off already. I don't know where he's going. He left me behind. As I was saying, thank you for watching. If you do enjoy this video, please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, ciao.